In this video we're just going to practice some questions with regard to arithmetic sequences. So first question, find the nth term of this sequence, 8, 3, 18, 23, and hence find the 22nd term. Okay, so we're going to start off with our Tn. So Tn equals a plus n minus 1 d. So Tn equals, a is our first term, so it's 8 plus n minus 1. D is the common difference, and if we look for the common difference here, 8, 13, 18, 23, but the difference is 5. The common difference is 5. So we'll put 5 in for that, and multiply it out. Tn equals 8 plus, and then multiply the 5 by the n, and we get 5n. Multiply the 5 by the minus 1, and we get minus 5. We're left with 5n plus 3. So Tn equals 5n plus 3. We want to find the 22nd term, so it's T22 equals 522 plus 3. T22 equals 5 multiplied by 22 is 110 plus 3, which is 113. T22 is 113. Okay, first one done. Next one. T1 is 4, T7 is 22. Right, we want to find A, which is the first term, and D, which is the common difference. We start off with our Tn equals A plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so we have our Tn equals A plus n minus 1 d. We'll just multiply that, so we'll simplify it. Right? So Tn equals A plus dn, we're multiplying the d by the n, minus d, the d by the minus 1. Now I can slot in this information. So the Tn is 4, we get that from this. It's 4 when I put in 1 for n. Okay, so 4 equals a plus d minus d. So 4 equals a. So a is 4. Okay. If you wanted to, we could have put in up here. We could have put 4 into here, and we could have put 1 in for there straight away. We get the same answer. Okay. The next bit then. Again, we have Tn equals a plus n minus 1 d. Just going to multiply it out. Tn equals a plus dn minus d. And this time, when we put in 7 for n, we get out 22. So we're getting out 22 when we put in 7 for n. So d7 minus d. That'll give us 22 equals a plus 7d minus d, which gives us 22 equals a plus 6d. We have two equations there. We can find out what a and d is. We already found out that a equals 4, so that's a. And the d then, if we take the 4 and put it in for this a, we should be able to find d. So 22 equals 4 plus 6d. If we take 4 from both sides, we get 18. Take 4 there. We'll be left with 18 equals 6d. Divide by 6 from both sides, and we'll get 3 equals d, or d equals 3. So d is 3, a is 4. Okay. The next one. If 2k plus 2, 5k minus 3, and 6k are 3 consecutive terms of a sequence, find the value of k. Right, I'm just going to pretend, I'll presume that this is T1, T2, and T3. Okay, it doesn't really matter. Okay, this could be T4, T5, and T6 if we wanted. It doesn't matter because the difference is going to be the same. So I'm just going to presume that that is T1, T2, and T3. Right. that's the case, well, T2 minus T1, that would be one of the differences, that would be a common difference, must equal T3 minus T2. Okay, because we have the common difference here, and that will equal the common difference here. Okay. So using that logic, I can just put in 5k minus 3, that's T2, and then I can say minus T1, which is 2k plus 2, and that must equal 6k minus 2, which is 5k minus 3. Now I have an equation here. I have one unknown. That unknown is the k's. I can just simplify that out. So we have 5k minus 3 minus 2k minus 2 equals 6k minus 5k plus 3. Simplifying that, we get 3k minus 5 equals k plus 3. If we take k from both sides, we have 2k minus 5 plus 3. We add 5 to both sides, get rid of 5, we have 2, k equals 8, and divide by 2, we get k equals 4. There we go. And the last one, Tn is 4n minus 2. Is the sequence arithmetic? There is a way of doing this, they show you in the book to, it's easy enough, right, but you'll look for a constant. I think an easier way of doing it is just this. Check T1 for 1 minus 2. So T1 equals, for 1s are 4 minus 2, 2. Let's try T2. T2 equals 4 2s minus 2. T2 is 4 2s minus 2 is 6. Let's take T3 equals 4 3s minus 2. So T3 equals 10. And we're going up to T4. T4 equals 4 4s minus 2. So T4 equals 14. Look at the differences. 4, 4, 4. So firstly, the differences are the same, so we can say is arithmetic because first difference is the same. Or we can say common first difference. Okay, thanks guys.